Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera flash to auto on or off on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the photo tab at the bottom. Now swipe up right next to the shutter button, so swipe up. Then you want to tap on the flash icon. From here, you could choose between auto, flash on, or off. So if I choose auto, that will automatically the camera will automatically determine to use the flash or not. If I choose on, then the phone will always go to use the flashlight. And if I choose off, then the camera will always have the flashlight turned off. And so select one of the options, auto, on or off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.